Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Green Lot Private Investor Conference. We're so happy that you guys are here. We have a great presentation prepared for you all. Hope you guys enjoy. My name is Jonathan Strong, and I'm the CMO of the Green Lot. Thank you all for coming out, and we hope you're impressed by what we've been preparing for you guys tonight. Let's get to it. So, today, as you know, we are a hybrid and electric car dealership. We were founded in Salem, Oregon in 2018 when myself and my four business partners decided to create a company that we're all passionate about. And we knew and one that we know would be a great business to get into. At the lot, we will have both new and used vehicles. We will provide services such as maintenance, servicing, inspections, detailing, financing, and warranties. Brief overview of our team. We all come from different backgrounds, but um, but have all come together with different specializations to create a dream team for this business. We're excited to work together and are motivated to sell cars and provide an experience that our customers will remember and enjoy. A little bit about why we decided to start the business. We're all passionate about the environment and also love business. We got together to discuss the future of renewable energy and what types of businesses were trending to become a market leader in renewables in all sectors. In America, everyone needs cars. We all drive them, and recently people have become more aware of the effects that CO2 emissions have on our planet. We thought that in the future everyone would have a low emission or zero emission vehicle, so we started to do some research about the green car market. We found that it was an opportunity. What we found was an opportunity to become one of the hybrid and electric vehicle dealerships in America. The opportunity. Getting into some of the research that we found, over the past year, eco-friendly vehicle sales have increased by 40%, reaching a grand total of 200,000 in 2017 alone. Car buyers are becoming more aware of the impact their purchases make on the environment. Because of this, there are many government programs that are subsidizing the production of EV vehicles and the infrastructure to create and provide power for them. Of course, hybrid and electronic vehicles are more fuel efficient than gasoline-powered vehicles. Our target market. We want to be a disruptor in the retail car industry and fulfill the niche of consumers who are looking for an eco-friendly, fuel-efficient vehicle. Our market is people who are concerned with reducing their environmental footprint and anyone who is interested in buying a car. If you look at this graph, it explains who buys hybrids and EVs. As you can see, the age group varies, but is pretty evenly distributed from the age 30 and up. If you see, 70% of hybrid and electronic vehicle buyers have a 4-year degree or higher. They also live, for the most part, 26% on the Pacific Coast. Competition. As of now, the competition for a hybrid EV lot is very slim. They are sold alongside gas-powered vehicles right now. We have estimated that the global market for electronic vehicles will grow by 5 times between 2015 and 2020. In a survey, more than a quarter of Americans said they will purchase an eco-friendly vehicle on their next purchase. That number will increase as car companies optimize their vehicles. There's currently around 100 different hybrid or electronic vehicles in the market right now, and every more different styles and different types are added. In our dealership, we want to sell all different types, brands, styles to appeal to a large clientele base. Our growth strategy, we want to become the top supplier for electronic vehicles in the nation. We plan to create a brand that people will recognize as the brand to purchase an EV vehicle or hybrid car. We want to franchise eventually across North America. We plan to allocate 20% of gross profits to marketing. Our business model, we plan to be the dealership that you can trust and will tell your friends about. We also want to be marketable to millennials and everyone who uses social media. Our service and fair prices will drive people to keep coming back. Our staff will be very knowledgeable about all types of EV, electronic, hybrid cars, and we want to have the highest level of integrity. We want to be transparent, and we want people to know that they can trust us with anything. Our projected timeline is 18 months. So from the first day of funding to the opening of our first dealership, it'll take 18 months. Now, we need time to construct a building, to purchase cars, to get permits, licensing with different car manufacturers, and so on and so forth. Now for what you all have been waiting for, the numbers. From our analysts, after the first year of sales, from our analysis after our first year of sales, we are confident that we can be profitable after the third year of sales. After year one, our goal is to hit $1,700,044 of net income. After that, just over $2 million. And after year three, we plan to have a net income of $2,300,000. We would love to have you all on board with this business. We know it'll be profitable, and getting into it now will put us ahead of the competition. For this seed funding round, we are looking for a total investment of $1.5 million. We look forward to hearing your questions and opinions. If you're interested, reach out to us so we can send you the full business plan for your review. Thank you, and we hope to hear from you all soon.